Hi guys, today I'm doing a video about a bird and I found it. It's sleeping. I think it's awake. It's sleeping. But I found it outside and I waited like an hour and it was still laying there, and her mum wasn't coming. It was on the floor, so I decided to take it in, and now I put it in the box and filled it with grass, and I put some sticks inside. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. So I'm kind of happy too, and it's really, really cute. It's so adorable.